Insomnia. What's insomnia? When you work all the day long and you go for sleep, you just sleep for a while and you wake up very quick. When you wake up, you feel tired. In the entire body, you feel a kind of discomfort. So when this discomfort, this tiredness remains, and this type of sleeping pattern remains for days, just like approximately 3 days. So this is called as transient insomnia. And when this type of insomnia prolongs for about weeks, this is called as acute insomnia. And if this condition remains very long, that is for about months, this is called as chronic insomnia. You are supposed to treat this condition because it will damage your entire life. So this is called insomnia. What? When you sleep and you sleep for a while, your sleep is not complete. This is called actually sleep deprivation. And what happens when you wake up, you are feeling a kind of tiredness in the entire body and a kind of a sort of pain in the body. So this is what's called insomnia, actually acute, chronic, and transient. Hope you got. If still you have confusion, drop it in the comment box.